Hi everybody, this is Matt. Thanks for watching and welcome back. Sometimes I'm asked by folks, Matt, what kind of magazines do you like for the CZ75 series of pistols? Well, this one here is a CZ75 P01 Omega. Sometimes we call this like the purple unicorn because they're hard to find, rarely in stock. In this one, I have the standard CZ magazine, which is 14 rounds of capacity. Features a rubberized type of base plate, feels really good in the hand, and as you can see, my hand fits this just fine. But I don't have extremely large hands, but this works for me. So what other alternatives do we have besides this? Well, we have Mec Gar. Mec Gar, this mag, has a 16 round capacity. And if you notice, there's more space right here, so if you have larger hands, something for that pinky finger to grab onto. A difference between the two of them, if I put these side by side and you look at them from the back, you'll notice that the Mec Gar is just a little bit taller, but that also has +2 capacity, so it's 16 rounds. Another difference, the size of that base plate, which the base plate on this feels like a polymer or type of a plastic, whereas the one that you get from the factory is rubberized feeling. Another huge difference between the two of them, price. The CZ magazines that I purchased direct from the factory that cost about 43 bucks, it's 43 bucks for a magazine, whereas the Mec Gar can often be had for around 23. That's a $20 difference. 20 buck difference and get 2 more rounds capacity. Which one do I like? Actually, I like them both. Not sure where the CZ factory magazine is made out of, but I know that this particular Mec Gar is made in Italy. Do they function the same? Yes, they do. Feeds in there really nice. No issues. So both of them work, and I've had exactly the same experience with both of these magazines. So it's up to you what you want, personal preference, but if it boils down to price, this is a better value, just in my opinion. So there you have it. But that's what I happen to use in a CZ. So I hope it helps, gives you a little bit of thoughts or options. And until next time, thanks for watching. And everybody, be safe out there and have a good one.